Welcome to Terminal Guruji. A lot of people are asking about how to run Python script in Terminal. So today I'm going to show it. First of all, I have created a virtual machine and I have installed Red Hat 6 Linux operating system. Then we will access it. We will take remote access of it, and I'll log in as root user. So as you can see, I have logged into that machine using IP address and SSH. Now what I'll do is I'll create one folder. First, we have to create one dedicated folder where we are going to save our Python scripts. So when I do ls cd root, here we are going to create one directory by name my python. So we can see that our directory got created, and so far there is no script in it. So we are going to write one small script. Vi is an editor just like notepad in windows. Vi is notepad in linux. So vi, your file name, so hello.py, you have to provide extension. Then here we can simply write our code. So this is our simple code. We are going to save it now, and when I do ls, hello.py got created. Now we have to execute it. So in order to execute it, first we have to check that whether we have Python version or not, installed Python in our operating system or not. So I'm going to check it, Python hyphen hyphen version. So yes, there is already installed Python. So now we can run our script. So how to run it? Just write Python and our script name. Now our script got executed. We can see that hello world. So this is how guys we run Python script in terminal. Thank you for watching.